Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to create content for presentation on Google NotebookLM. So as you guys see, I created a new source. I just copied a text about human body, and all you need to do just write, tell me about the most important things for presentation based on the sources provided. There is no information about things, but you have it like the one that you can click, and there is the most important thing for the first one, the second slide. As you see, you can even access the third and the last one. And as you see, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.